Here we have the remote. First, we will take out the key. Behind the remote, there is that switch. You just turn it upwards and the key comes out. After the key comes out, I'll use this kind of screwdriver. You can use any kind of screwdriver. It doesn't have to be this short or long, as long as you can punch the screwdriver right in that hole right there. So what I will do is I will take the screwdriver and punch it in the corner to make some room right there. There you see the room has been created. Now I will try to squeeze the screwdriver just like that, and this is how the remote is open. Now carefully take it out so that no part inside the remote is spilled outwards. There we open the remote right there. This is the battery. I will take out the battery and show you what kind of battery is it. It seems to be CR2032, so that is the battery that's going to work for this kind of remote. Now my battery is good, so what I'll do, I'll just install it back and show you how to install a battery in your case if you have a new one. You make sure where you see plus behind the battery, it goes on the bottom side. So just like that. There we got the battery installed. Now what I will do is I will punch in back both the covers together. In my case, I will not be spilling over this side because this side is actually coming off, so I don't want to do that. Instead, I'll be punching in this side on top of the button side, which is behind. You see there are some buttons right there. In this way, the battery portion is not spilling out, and this makes it safe for us to combine both the pieces together. There we got both pieces together. It looks good from all over the edges. So what I will do is I will punch in the key. There we got the remote with the key all together, and this wraps up the replacement for the battery of this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.